So we're doing the implicit differentiation of this 2 times the quantity x squared plus y squared squared equals 25 times x squared minus y squared. And we want to know what basically the slope is at -3, -1. And then from there, we'll find the y-intercept for y equals mx plus b for the graph of the tangent line at -3, -1. So we're going to take the derivative of both sides. And this is implicit differentiation. So on the left side, we will have 2 times, and then this 2 from the power comes out front, so we have a chain rule situation of x squared plus y squared to the 1 power now, times now the derivative of what's inside, and that's a 2x plus 2y times y prime. And then on the left side, we're going to have 25 times derivative of x squared is 2x. I'm trying to erase my messy marks there. There we go. And plus derivative, or not plus, but minus the derivative of y squared is 2y prime. Let me get this written here. Okay. Now on the left-hand side, if you just notice, we have 2 binomials. It may not look like it, but we do. So we're going to multiply through. That's 2 times 2 is 4 times x squared times 2x gives us 8x cubed. So 2 times 2 times y squared times 2x is going to give us plus 8xy squared. So that's, again, 2 times 2 times x squared times 2y is going to be plus 2x squared y times y prime. Can't forget the y prime. And 2 times 2 times y squared times the 2y prime is going to be plus, oh, that wasn't 2, by the way. That was another 8, wasn't it? 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. This should be 8. And that's going to be 8 y squared times y, so it's a y cubed times y prime equals, and then if we distribute the 25, we have 50x minus 50y y prime. Okay, now we're going to move the y terms to the left side and the non-y terms, the y prime terms to the left side, the non-y prime terms to the right side. So we'll add 50y y prime. We will subtract 8x cubed from both sides. And we'll subtract 8xy squared. This gives us what? An 8x squared y times y prime plus 8y cubed times y prime plus 50y times y prime equals, then we have our 50x minus the 8x cubed minus the 8xy squared. So on the left side, we'll factor the y prime out. We have y prime times 8x squared y plus 8y cubed plus 50y equals that 50x minus 8x cubed minus 8xy squared. So we can divide both sides by this 8x squared y plus 8y cubed plus 50y. And our y prime will be what? Looks like the best I can do is divide a 2 out of the top and bottom. And that's going to give us a 25x minus 4x cubed minus 4xy squared over, then the 2 out of the denominator would be a 4x squared y plus 4y cubed plus 25y. Okay, so we're going to now plug in that -3, -1. Let me confirm that is what we're after. Yep. Okay, so -3 goes in for the x's, and -1 goes in for the y's. So it's y prime equals 25 times -3 minus 4 times -3 cubed minus 4 times -3 times -1 over 4 times -3 squared times -1 plus 4 times -1, I should say, -1 cubed and then minus 4 times 3 times -1, that makes it a plus 12. No, that's there's one extra negative there, I just see that. Okay, so it's minus 12. Okay, let's see what we get out of the calculator. It looks like I'm getting the numerator to be 21 and the denominator to be, let's see, 4 times. Okay, I think I got this in here right. And I get -52. So if I divide here, 21 divided by -52, just check my math here. So 21 divided by -52, I get -0.4038. Okay, I saw an error here. I transposed the numbers from the numerator to the denominator, so it should be a plus 25 times -1. So let's see what that gives us instead. That gives us a -65. Okay, so that's not the answer they have, and I've run it through about 5 different times, and I've confirmed I think they must have a wrong answer. So to finish this off, though, we'd have y minus the -1 equals the -0.4038 times x minus -3. So y plus 1 equals -0.4038 times x plus 3. So y plus 1 equals -0.4038 times x. I don't need the parentheses anymore. Plus -0.4038 times 3. And we'll subtract the 1 from both sides. So y equals -0.4038x plus, and let me use my calculator to get this, -0.4038 times 3 minus 1 should be -2.2114. Okay, and that's what it should be. Not sure what it is, so if you're working it out and it's not lining up, I'm happy to give you credit for this. So, okay, there you go.